subscribe. Alright, what's going on, Pro Cutters? Swapping out some lights up here. So the first thing you need to do is take down the old light. Make sure your power's turned off. With these long, fine threaded bolts, definitely helps to have a power driver. On your ground nut, it's just a 1/4 inch drive. So you just pull your bit out of your 10-in-1 screwdriver and drive that right on in. And then wire nut all your wires back together. White to white, black to black, fair to fair. And then you push your wires back up into the box. You put these nuts on to hold this up on there. There's a little rubber washer that came on there as well. Make sure you don't leave that off. It's going to protect this plate with LED lights. So once that's hung up, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Alright, and now this room is done. Hung 2 new sconces, the mirror, and the new ceiling light. So we're good to go. See you in the next room. So we're in here in the second bathroom, and you can see now you've just got your electrical junction box. And then over here I've put the light mount plate on, and that's just 2 screws. And then you've got a grounding screw here that you're just going to hook your bare wire to that. Alright, so now I have these 2 lights up. I have the ceiling light. And I've put my marks for the mirror, but I've got to run back to my shop and get some anchors for this mirror in this room. And then I've just put in one of these knobs. There's 4 per lamp to hold the cover on. I've only put in 1 because they've got to come off to put bulbs in. And now that mirror is hung. Job done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you later.